What if I told you you can create 100 reels in just few minutes without designing them one by one? Not copy and paste, not manual work, not burnout, just smart work with Canva. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Canva's Bulk Create and AI tools to generate 100 reels in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, an educator, a business person, or just a personal brand, if you want consistency without stress, this video is for you. The first step in this process is getting our content ready. So I'm here in ChatGPT. I have asked it to give me 100 fitness motivation quotes I can use for social media content. And it did just that. So I'm going to copy this and then save it in my Google Sheet. So I'm going to go to my Google Sheet and then paste because I already copied it. So here are the 100 quotes. Let me do a little formatting just to keep it clean. Expand this. So we have our 100 quotes ready. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to Canva and get our templates set. Here in Canva, I'll go to templates and search for fitness reels. I'll scroll down to find the one I want. I think I want this one, so I'm going to customize it. Just pick a template that you want and then customize. That will be your master template for the 100 reels we'll be creating. So let me adjust. I don't want this color here. I only have a single line of text, so this will do. I can decide to change the video in the background, but because I'm just demonstrating this, I'm going to leave everything as it is. I'm going to reuse the video in the background. If I have my personal workout video, I will replace that, of course. So the next thing I'm going to do is, this is going to be a master template. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to apps and search for Bulk Create. Click on Bulk Create. Now it's going to ask me to enter my data manually or upload the data. Let me go back to fitness, and because I failed to download it. So I'm going to download it as a CSV file. Downloaded, then return to Canva. So if I want to enter my data manually, I'll click on this first button. But because I already have my data saved somewhere, I'm going to upload it into Canva. So I'll click on Upload Data. So it's uploaded. Now I'm going to connect this text here to the data in my file, the data I just uploaded. So click on the text here and then select Connect Data in your menu. And then you'll be able to connect it. So I've connected the text in my template to the text in my file, in the file I just uploaded. So I'm going to click on Continue. Now I have all the 100 quotes selected. If I want to remove any quote, of course I can unselect it, but of course I want to create 100 reels, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So it's going to create 99 because I already have the first one here. So I'm going to click on Create 99 Designs. Once I click on Create 99 Designs, boom, Canva will do the magic. So let's click on Create 99 Designs. It's done and saved in a different folder. So I'm going to view in a folder where Canva has saved my reel for me. So I'm going to click on each of them to open. So there you have it. This is 80. I think this is the one that has, let's go, let me see. Yes, we have 80 reels. And then we have about 20 in this other one. making it a total of 100 reels. Now you can change the image, the video in the background. You can manually change the video in the background, but it's not necessary. This is a reel. You can post them maybe once in a week, twice in a week if you want, depending on your content strategy. So this is how you can create 100 reels in Canva in minutes. I hope you learned something in this tutorial. See you in my next tutorial, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you have questions, I will be there to answer you. Thank you so much, and see you in my next tutorial.